Sir, the next possible question related to member modifiers, Java source file structure. Very important, just observe that. Sir, consider given three content of three files. Okay, three files are there. First one, x.java, public class x, public void a. Oh, there is one instance method is there named with a. And one instance variable is there named with a. Okay, well, this is the x.java. Y.java, public class y, private int do stuff, in the private int I is equal to 100, return I plus plus. Okay, well, sir, this is the y.java. Z.java, import java.io.star, package pack1, class z, public static void main, throws IO exception. Are you getting throws IO exception, right? So total three files are available. X.java, Y.java, Z.java is available, right? Now, which statement is true? True. Only X.java file compiles successfully. Only Y.java file compiles successfully. Z.java file compiles successfully. Sir, X.java and Y.java files compile successfully. Y.java and Z.java files compile successfully. X and Z files compile successfully. So means that very simple. Array, among these three files, which file compiles fine? So which file doesn't have any syntactical mistake? We have to identify. Okay, well. Sir, now can you please consider first one, sir. First one, public class x, okay, public void a and int a. What it means is instance variable and instance method with the same name. Is it allowed or not? Why not? Perfectly allowed, sir. Suppose if you call x is equal to new x, I'm creating x class object x dot a. If I call just like a method, now a method will come. If I print x dot a just like a variable, now the corresponding a value by default will come. That's why instance method and instance variable, method and variable with the same name allowed, no problem at all. Are you getting right? Sir, this is the x.java compiled successfully, no problem at all. Now have a look once. Observe that here I have x.java file is there, sir. This is my x.java file. Public void m1, public void a contain, sir, have you observed? A contain, sir, a method as well as int a. Now let me compile this code, sir. Observe that. Observe that. Now I'm trying to compile java c x.java. Perfectly it is the valid. So means that, sir, method and variable with the same name acceptable, no problem at all. Sir, if you want, if you are calling like a method, it will come. Calling like a variable, then the variable will respond. What is the problem, right? Let me observe. Have a look once. Sir, I'm taking inside a method. Sir, system.out.println. Sir, a method like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, here just observe that a method like this I'm taking. Yes, perfectly valid. Now int a is equal to some 999 I'm taking like this. Sir, public static void main method. Sir, I'm trying to take main method also, string array args. Okay. Now if I want to call this a method. Sir, simple, create an object, x is equal to new x dot a method. X dot a method. Perfectly method will get the chance. Are you getting? The code compiles fine. The code compiles fine. Java x, sir, a method. Happily the method is getting the chance, no problem at all. Sir, I want to print the value of a. System.out.println x dot a. Now I'm trying to access variable. Variable, just like a variable. That's why now observe. Happily the code compiles fine. Now what is the answer we are going to get, sir? So 999. So it's very clear, if you are calling like a variable, if you are calling like a method, method will respond. If you are calling like a variable, then the variable will respond. That's why within the same class, a method and a variable with the same name allowed, no problem at all. So with respect to x, no syntactical mistake. Clear, right? Now have a look once, sir. So with respect to x, we are not seeing any syntactical mistake. Well, now consider y.java. Very dangerous. Listen carefully. Y.java, public class y, private into do stuff, private int I is equal to 100, return I plus plus. Okay, very important point. What is this variable? Please respond. What is this variable? We are declaring this I inside do stuff method. If we declare any variable inside a method, that variable is always local variable. Correct, right? If we declare a variable inside a method, that variable is always local variable, right? Now one small important point. Now observe that I'm taking public class tester, sir. Public class tester. If I'm taking static int x is equal to 10, can you please tell what is this variable? Respond. What is this variable? Static variable. Static variable. If I can take int y is equal to 20, instance variable. Now public void m1 method, public void m1 method. If I can take int z is equal to 30, what is this variable, sir? Local variable. So static variable, instance variable, local variable, total 3 variables are there. The important point in this case is, if the static variable is the public from anywhere you can access. If the static variable default within the same package you can access. If the static variable is the protected within the same package anywhere, but outside package only in child classes. If the static variable is the private, so you can access within the same class only, like this. So based on access modifier, happily, do you know this is the static variable, accessibility is there. Sir, it is the public, any person can access. If it is the default within the same package, if it is the protected, sir, within the same package anywhere, but outside package only in child classes. Next, the private means within the same class, like this, meaning is there. Same meaning applicable for local variable also, for instance variable also. If the instance variable is the public, default, protected, private, accessibility will be defined. But now my doubt is, what is this variable, sir? Local variable. The scope of local variable is always fixed. You can access only inside M1. Regarding outside of M1, you can't access, because this is the local variable where you declare local variable only inside M1. Outside of M1, not possible to access. So if I declare local variable, the public. If I declare local variable as the public, private, protected, like compiler will give left and right. What is the reason for that is, it is the local variable. The scope is already fixed. Then declaring public, declaring private, where is the meaning? That's why. So for local variables, public, private, protected, default, such a type of terminology not applicable. Remember, by mistake, if you are trying to take, immediately compatible error you are going to get. Clear for all, right? Now let me show these points, sir. Observe carefully. Here I am taking, sir, this is the class tester. Sir, static variable, static int x is equal to 10, and the instance variable int y is equal to 20, like this, right? Sir, now int z is equal to 30, like this, right? One is static variable, one is instance variable, last one is the local variable, right? Sir, this static and instance variable, public, private, like no issue at all, sir. Acceptable. Now have a look once. Java C test.java I'm taking. Perfectly valid, sir. So here you can use public, private, protected, default, anyway, no problem. Here also you can use public, private, protected, default, acceptable, no issue at all, sir. But what is this variable? Local variable. For local variable can be accessed only inside the method. Outside of the method you can't. So the scope of local variable is already fixed. By mistake, if you are trying to declare with the private, public, protected, like immediately compare method we are going to get. Observe that I want to declare this variable as a private. Private immediately. Sir, have you observed? Compare method we are going to get saying illegal start of expression. Remember that. So there is public, private, protected, such type of terminology not applicable for local variable. The only applicable modifier for local variable is final. Okay, within the method, if you don't want to change its value, declare it as final. Only final is allowed except the final. Volatile, transient, public, private, such type of terminology is not applicable. Clear, right? So just I want to declare local variable as the public. Public, is it allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Immediately error we are going to get illegal start of expression public. Sir, I am declaring as protected, like immediately error by default we are going to get, sir. Now I am taking final, final, no problem, acceptable, final, acceptable, but you can't change its value. By mistake, if you are trying to change its value, error, because it's already final, that's why now you are going to get error, cannot assign a value to final variable z. So for local variable, public, private, protected, default not applicable. By mistake, if you are trying to declare, immediately error we are going to get. The only applicable modifier for local variable is final. Clear for all of you, right? Now can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Y.java, public class y, private into do stuff, private into do stuff, private int I is equal to 100. Sir, local variable, we are trying to take local variable with a private, immediately error we are going to get. Clear, right? Now sir, third one, z.java. Sir, import java.io.star package pack1. Can you please tell, valid or invalid? We covered very clearly in the last examples, invalid. The reason is, if the package statement is there, the first we have to take package, after that import statements we have to take. By mistake, if you are taking first import and then package statement, immediately error we will get. That's why, so which files will compile successfully? Only x.java will compile, y.java, z.java won't compile. Syntactical mistakes are there. Let me compile these two things. Y.java and z.java. Here y.java, private, immediately error we are going to get, sir. Now observe that java c y.java. Have you observed? This is public class y, because variable I declared as a private, local variable, line number 5, immediately error we are going to get. Are you getting? Line number 5, error, right? Next z.java. Sir, here have you observed, first import and then package. Line number 2 is the mistake. If I can take java c z.java, have you observed, right? Line number 2 itself is the mistake, package pack1. Sorry, you can't take like this. Clear, friends? So very important, which is going to cover multiple points, right? Now from this, which statement is true? Only x.java file compiled successfully, or y or z, or x and y and z, or x and z. Sir, obviously, which one is the correct answer, sir? Only x.java file compiled successfully. Clear, right?